Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you, it's like seriously a really simple, quick and easy, fast tutorial, but I wanted to show you all how to make little DIY shabby chic cupcake toppers, because my baby shower for my little girl is shabby chic themed, and I don't want to pay for something I can make, so yeah, they're gonna look like this. All you need is some burlap ribbon. It can be wired, it can have lace, it can be plain, whatever. You're just gonna need a couple strips of ribbon. This is actually extra ribbon I had laying around. It's gonna sound weird, but a fork, toothpicks, and a hot glue gun. Like seriously, that's all you're gonna need. And I'll show you why. So you'll start off by here, and actually I don't measure anything. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut like a little square piece of this burlap ribbon. So you're just gonna cut it like so. Again, you do not have to measure, like this. Okay, so you got your piece. All we're gonna be doing is folding it like this. I have the wired ribbon, so it kind of holds in place, so you can test it if you want to. There's no real method. It's really fast. You're just going to take your glue gun, you're going to put a little bit on the corner, and you're going to fold it into the middle like so. Turn it over. Do the same method like this. And then this one, I just like to make sure that this doesn't overhang this way, so I try to put it as tightly in the middle as I can, like that. Put a little dab of hot glue, secure it, and last piece, a little dab of hot glue, and then secure it like so. Doesn't have to be perfect, just so that it looks somewhat like a little package. Then in order to make your bow, you can buy mini bows at Walmart or whatever in packages, but if you want to make your own bow and you have some ribbon laying around, you're going to need to get your fork, and you're going to put your ribbon over the top like this. If you've pre-cut a piece like I have, just make sure the piece that's going underneath the fork is a little bit longer than the one on top. You're going to take this and put it in a V shape. Take the piece that's in the back and pull it through the middle part of the fork. Okay, pull it through. Then you're going to take it in the back, pull it up, put it through the middle, like so. Then you're going to take the piece that's hanging over here, right? You're going to want to go over the top, and then you're going to pull it under and through the hoop, or loop, sorry, not a hoop. And then you just pull tight. If you pull downward, you're going to get that nice bow tail that you'll be looking for. And then just slide it off the fork. And voila, you have yourself a little bow. Now I don't like the long tails, so I'm just going to snip those off. Like so. I have my tiny little bow and my burlap square, and I'm literally just going to glue my little bow on top of my square, but I'm doing it in a diamond shape, so that way it's not sitting like this on the cupcake, but more at a diamond shape. And then you're just going to take a toothpick like this, put glue about 1/8 of the way down, turn it over, and stick it down towards the bottom. And that's it. Most of the time I'll take a little extra glue and put it over the top. just to secure it. And then there you go. You've got your Shabby Chic cupcake toppers. So hope you all enjoyed this short tutorial. Let me know if you have any cool ideas or if you've made these. But I'm really excited to use these on my cupcakes. So see you in my next video. Bye!